it's Quinby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm so happy that you're here and that you are joining me for this California thrift haul. I have a whole box of goodies that I got on Saturday. This video is going to be kind of a thrift with me. It should be a thrift with us because I took my partner Petey, and I'm going to be sure to insert lots of footage from inside the thrift store. Now in this haul, I've got a variety of things, so it should be really fun. I've got handbags, some dresses, one absolute and total BOLO, which is a brand you want to be on the lookout for, and I have some vintage home decor and home items. So I think I'll put the home stuff at the end because I know a lot of my viewers are most interested in the clothes and the bags and the things that I sell on eBay and Poshmark. I'm a part-time reseller. I've been doing it like 10 years. And so I did buy a lot of stuff to resell and some stuff to keep. Bags. The bags have individual prices on them. I went to a church thrift store where I live here in Northern California. It's just very expensive at the Goodwill. I do sometimes go to the Goodwill, but this is a little church thrift store and the prices are really good. Look at this boho goodness bag. Is this just not like so good, friends? I saw it from across the room. This is the back, and then the front has actual coins on it and tassels, and then the handles are genuine leather. This is a bag by a brand that I really love, but I don't hear a lot of people talking about. The brand is Love Stitch. Love Stitch can be found at stores like Nordstrom. They're most well known for their peasant tops and maxi dresses, really beautiful prints, lots of tassels, kind of higher quality boho stuff. This was $6. I kind of was thinking I might keep this for myself. I can take it when I go to Mexico each year to the resort or to the pool. But I'll check comps. If comps are really good, I might be persuaded to sell it because I do have things that are similar to this. This is a bag I wanted to try out because I've heard so many resellers talk about this brand. It's a Bagalini. So I've bought a lot of bags to resell online, especially from Thredup. I have some Thredup rescue box, mystery boxes on the channel if you want to check that out. But this comes up a lot, and it looked like comps on this were around $25 or $30. I paid $6. It's very clean, and they had several bandolinis, but I chose this one because it was black, but it has a subtle animal print, and it's got a long crossbody strap. So I'm going to give this one a try and see how I do selling this brand. I don't have a ton of experience with it, but I know a lot of people really look for this brand to resell. The bag section, it just seemed like, does this ever happen to you at the thrift store? There's always like one lady or one person that like gets in too close. No! And especially now with COVID and us all wearing our masks. Because of COVID and everybody wearing their mask, and we're really supposed to be keeping some distance from each other, there was one woman who just kept like invading my space in the handbag section. So I just was like, okay, I just backed off. I wasn't desperate for anything in particular, so I let her have the space, but it was like, I felt like she just kept getting too close. Does that ever happen to you? Anyway, this was the first bag I saw, and the reason why I ended up doing a handbag haul was this. Some of you will just recognize it right away. It's a bucket bag, which for 2021 are really popular. That's when it has like a cinch here, and you can almost make it like a bucket top like that. So that's one of the reasons I picked up this bag, was for style. The bucket bag style is really nice. But check out the charms on here. Totally boho. It's like, it's got a tassel with all these charms. This is like a yoga symbol. It's such buttery soft. It's a crossbody, and I saw this, so I knew that this was Lucky Brand. Lucky Brand purses sell great for me. This is a smaller one. It was marked 8, but since the other ones were 6, he gave me all the handbags for 6. And this is the Lucky Brand sign label there. It's just really nice. It does have like a little bit of minor wear, but I think with a brown leather, soft, distressed, this one, do I want to keep it? Of course. And that's my biggest problem as a reseller.
I just want to keep all the things.
But I've sort of upgraded. I've got some nice bags right now. I don't need it, but I love it. Did I mention that I put the bloopers at the end of the video? Yes, I do, because I could do an entire haul video and the entire thing could be bloopers practically. So stay till the end so we can laugh and have some fun together with the bloopers. Thank you. Friends, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I have so many thrift hauls on the channel. I do a lot of unboxings, and I do a live every Friday called Reseller Community Night at 5 p.m. Pacific, and we'd love to see you there. So make sure you are subscribed and you turn on the bell notifications. Thank you. This next bag I bought, and I looked up comps, so I think I'm gonna be okay, but I just thought this was such a gorgeous bag. It's a pebbled leather. I'll bring it up close so you can see. And it's yellow, but then it has this contrast of this soft brown leather. Has the little feet on the bottom. It's just gorgeous, I thought. And the brand on this is Land's End, which is not like a bag brand that I look for. I do sell Land's End, but the retail's not that great on it. Land's End swimsuits, if you find those can sell for like 20 bucks. Look at the lining. And again, it was marked 7, but he gave them all to me for 6. It's really, really clean inside. I just thought this was a gorgeous bag. And comps look to be anywhere from like 15 to 50. So I'll take really nice pictures. This is in spectacular shape, and I'll shoot high. I'll put it up probably for like $50, and then I'll know that I can take best offers or run a sale. Look at the handle. The leather is just such fine quality on this. Perfect for spring, right? If you need a spring and summer bag. Okay, so then on to clothes. I just got a few things, but guess what? They're all amazing. I'm a Northern California boho girl. I love anything boho, romantic, lace, ruffles, crochet. I just love it all. So you see a lot of that in my thrift hauls, of course. It's what I'm drawn to, and it's something I can find in the area. Let me start with the absolute bolo. I posted about this on Instagram, and I got so many messages from people, so many comments. This dress was just hanging on the end of a rack. There were women all around shopping, but nobody had grabbed it. And the brand is Farm Rio. Let me show you the tag. The tag just says Farm. You won't miss this tag because it's sort of blue, a little flower, and it says Farm, even though the name of the brand is Farm Rio. And this dress retailed between $200 and $400. It's a long wrap front maxi with almost like this Asian inspired floral, but then look at the bottom. Just a waterfall of ruffles and lace crochet. It's got a high-low, and look at all this detail in here. Just truly gorgeous. Now, I have not tried this dress on yet because I'm afraid I'll want to keep it, and the comps on eBay are around $100 for a pre-owned maxi dress like this. Farm Rio is a really cool brand. They're known for their bright colors and prints. The designers are out of Brazil, and they have an eco-conscious brand as well. So it's just stunning. I love it. Keep your eye out for this brand. It is so hot right now. I was so excited to find this. It just like made my day. Okay, this next dress some of you will recognize when I just hold it up here because of the vibrant colors. This is a sheath dress, so just a fitted dress, and the brand is Trina Turk. It's a size 0, which I'm not thrilled about because as a reseller, of course, the smaller sizes are a little harder to sell. But dresses were only $5, you guys. So I only paid $5 for that Farm Rio dress. They obviously didn't know that brand or they would have marked it up. Some things were marked up. Look at this on the back. It even has the Trina signature here on the fabric. See, and it's almost a little textured. Trina Turk is most known for their resort wear and swimwear. Almost like psychedelic, bright colors like this, printed swimsuits. I actually bought myself a Trina Turk swimsuit last year. It's really gorgeous. And the swimsuits can sell for a lot. There's a hair going right into my mouth. Let's just like skip that. If you find the colorful dresses like this with the swirly prints or swimsuits, pull out your phone and check comps. They're usually pretty good. This dress is just really gorgeous. So for $5, I thought that was an amazing pickup. This I bought for style, and I thought maybe I would try it on, but I'm not sure it's going to fit. You know, I talk a lot about linen, especially in the spring and summer, being a great seller regardless of brand, and I talk about lag and look, that layering look, and this top fits into both. It's very boxy white linen top, and then it's got this heavy embroidery on the front. It looks to be new. The brand is Orvis. This is not a brand I go out looking for. I have sold it before. It's a size medium, and it's just, I think, a perfect summer top. A boxy white top. It looks new, like it's never been washed or worn. I might try it on. If it fits me, I might keep that because I think it's a perfect summer staple piece, but if not, I'll sell it. And then this is another really great Anthropologie brand. Look at this skirt. You're just not going to believe how good it is. So it has this metallic elastic waistband. Look at the print on this. It's incredible. And it's like a sweater knit. And it's got a slit in the front and it's lined. Look at the little lining, even has a little lace trim. The brand on this is Vanessa, Virginia. This is sold at Anthropologie. It's a size medium. I don't pick up every Anthropologie piece anymore, friends, because it doesn't sell like it used to. It used to be I put Anthropologie in the title and I could sell things really easily, and it's just not that way for me anymore. Okay, so now I have a few home decor items to show you. I have a vision for myself and my business of someday selling home decor that I thrift and find at estate sales and yard sales. I love home decor, but right now I sell so much clothes, shoes, belts, handbags, accessories, and I have a hard enough time storing that as it is. I'm nervous about storing and shipping on home goods, but I'm drawn to it. I absolutely love it. So I think it is in my future. I just got a few pieces. One, for $1.99, I got one of these that you can put a beautiful dish on or a piece of artwork. I have these placed around the house with different things on them. This was $1.99. These are so good to have. That's fantastic. Now this was one of the first things I grabbed. I totally love it. This is a wrought iron basket. So if I was gonna sell this, I would describe it as shabby chic or even vintage farmhouse. It's perfectly rusted. I think I might use it as a planter. Look at the iron florals on that. I mean, it's just such a great, you know, farmhousey, vintage, romantic piece. I got for $2.99. This is an old glass bottle. I love these as decorations just on a shelf, or you could use it as a vase. It was $2.99. Has a name on here, Resell, which I haven't looked up yet, but you can just see from the glass, how the glass looks, that this is an old piece. This is not a modern bottle. Now these can sell well. People use them in all sorts of ways in their homes as vases or just lined with other bottles on a shelf. People collect them. So if I was selling home goods, I would pick this up for resale for $2.99 for sure. I love pottery. I love ceramics. I have a handmade pottery collection of every kind. I do not need any more pottery in my life, but I loved this so much. This is stamped Williamsburg pottery. This stuff does sell really well. I have one like jug vase that Petey got me with the same brand. This is a candlestick, and I think he charged me like 99 cents because it wasn't priced. So you can recognize it by this raw ceramic and then the bright blue painting on it. And like I said, these do sell well if you're interested in experimenting with home goods. And you see pottery that's stamped like that. A lot of them are old New England companies. There's some in Maine, in Virginia, and they'll be stamped that way, and people collect them. This is another thing. I've got a bunch of them on my watch list from this brand on eBay, but I really don't need any more, and I don't want to pay the prices for it, but there we go. I hope you enjoyed the haul. I had such a fun time sharing it with you, and I hope to do more Thrift With Me videos now that things are open and we can get out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. See you next time. Love you. Bye. I need water. Oh. I love the stuff I got. And I'm going to insert lots of footage from inside the thrift store. Okay, this is the last bag, and this was a really different one. God, all my home goods are inside the bags. Anyway. If you find, so it's lined, but I really wanted to see what I don't know. I don't see it right off. They're also great for your reselling business if you have a little sign. Like if you make videos and you want to put the little sign up.